In this question, we have to give the name and structure of the monomer of PVC. PVC is polyvinyl chloride and the monomer of PVC is vinyl chloride. Vinyl chloride is a small organic molecule with the chemical formula CH2CHCl. It consists of two double bonded carbon atoms where one of the hydrogen atom is replaced by the chlorine atom. This is produced through a process known as free radical polymerization, and here the double bonds in vinyl chloride monomers open up and link together. It forms a long chain of repeating units and results in the thermoplastic polymer PVC. In the resulting polymer, each repeating unit is CH2CHCl. It creates a long chain of alternating carbon atoms with chlorine atoms attached to every other carbon.